Clinical trials are used to test new drugs or treatments in people to see if they are viable therapy options for a particular disease. They often start in a small number of patients to see if the treatment is safe and has side effects that can be managed before being tested in a larger number of people to see if the results hold true and were not due to chance. New treatments for cholangiocarcinoma that are being tested in clinical trials include liver transplantation, targeted therapies for patients with specific types of mutations, which are changes in their DNA coding or structure within the tumour, and immunotherapies, which are treatments that help the immune system better find and attack cancer cells. Liver transplants may be beneficial for certain types of cholangiocarcinoma. Clinical trials have been undertaken in patients with perihilar cholangiocarcinoma that can and cannot be surgically removed. In these studies, patients were treated with a combination of chemotherapy and radiation therapy, followed by a liver transplant. These studies demonstrated a benefit in some patients, as they were free from disease after 5 years, but in some patients the cancer returned. However, there is limited availability of livers for transplantation, and the need for lifelong medication to suppress the immune system are potential obstacles to this strategy. Identifying factors that affect whether treatment will be effective is vital to improving treatment options. Targeted therapies require molecular testing to be carried out first to see if the cancer has mutations that make it more likely to respond to different medications. There are various medications which target specific mutations that are currently being tested, such as those listed in the table here. Immunotherapies such as pembrolizumab and nivolumab are being tested in clinical trials in combination with other agents. Pembrolizumab and nivolumab work by blocking a protein called PD-1, which is present on the surface of a type of immune cell known as the T cell. This blockade allows the T cells to remain active and destroy cancer cells. Mutations that cause cholangiocarcinoma vary from one person to the next. These mutations may also vary from one cancer cell to another within the same person. This represents a limitation to the current available therapies, as one treatment may not work for all patients and may not work on all the cancer cells. Therefore, the future of cholangiocarcinoma treatment relies on research into these mutations and targeted therapies.